school textbooks, what's been happening, and blatantly how the national heroes and local heroes have been discredited in the book, and how the young minds are being influenced with false history and false information.
ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಡಕ್ಕಿಷ್ಟ ಸುಟ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪಠ್ಯ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬಸವರಾಜ ಬೊಮ್ಮಾಯಿ ಅವ್ರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಿಸಾಕ್ತಾರೆ.
ಮಧು ಬಂಗಾರಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷದಿಂದಲೇ ಜಾರಿ ಅಂತ.
ಮಧು ಬಂಗಾರಪ್ಪ ಕೇಳಿ.
Karnataka Primary and Secondary Education Minister Madhu Bangarappa said the textbooks will be revised for the state of Karnataka this year and the decision will be taken end of this month and an expert team will be looking into it. Talking to media, he said he doesn't answer to any political parties. He said we should focus on progressive studies and style of teaching to the children. He also said no taxpayers' money will be wasted revising the textbooks and every penny will be accounted for. Madhu Bangarappa said he has support of Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and his best interest lies in the prosperity of the children.
This will be taken by end of this month. So I have space. A lot of time is there. I don't have any time restriction or anything. I can cater. I think it will be done in the interest of children's only. I don't want to answer any other political parties, what they did, what they have done and all those things. I don't get into the details unless it comes into my hand because for that technical people are there and technical people will be taking charge of that. And as we speak, already they are on to work and I think that decision will be done very soon. Compared to old and now, a lot of informations are available at your fingertips, we should understand that. So to make more comfortable and very nice way of teaching, that will be done. This has got nothing to do with any parties or anti-party or anything like that. Purely we work on that and that's what our Honorable Chief Minister has very clearly told that Madhu will do it in the interest of children and we are going to that. I'm very happy.
After Karnataka's Primary and Secondary Education Minister Madhu Bangarappa said he would revise the textbooks this year, BJP MLA Ashwath Narayan said committee should have taken time to review before taking decision of revising the textbooks as academic year has already begun, which is inconvenience to the students.
Since the Congress party has come into power in the state of Karnataka in the assembly election, with regard to the textbooks been prescribed in the primary and secondary, they want to revise. So they could have taken the time, they could have allowed the committee, they could have constituted a committee and allow them to revise and look into it, the present syllabus and what changes need to be brought. Instead of taking their own time, already the academic year has started, they want to change, they are causing lot of inconvenience to all the students. I call upon them to take time, don't let the academic activity of the student not be affected. You can take time and introduce for the next academic year. There's no urgency. Instead of being in urgency, they can take the time and introduce for the next academic year whatever changes they want to bring in, suitable changes, not just changes for the sake of opposing, for the sake of changing, for the sake of revenge, hatredness. Instead of all these things, they can look into it holistically and bring the right kind of changes